Hello everyone, welcome to AddTrade. Today we're just going to make some video for the expiry analysis. All my videos nowadays I've been just putting up some short video. Today thought we'll make some detailed analysis. This is the daily chart of Banknifty, and today we saw some nice recovery from the lows, but we're failed to close above 41,800. Now we'll see the overall view from the daily chart. In case we come up, right, there's a good possibility we can even come up to test this trend line. In Banknifty, this a trend line that we'll have to watch out for. If Banknifty in the coming days comes up, we could see some resistance around 42,400 or so. And in a lower time frame, now this is the 1 hour chart of Banknifty. Now just to show how important this level is, we have taken resistance here multiple times, right, in this zone. Today we came into the zone in the morning, took again resistance there, dipped, but finally we have got a good closing, but we still failed to close above 41,800. So for tomorrow, in case we break this 41,800, maybe a quick move until 42,000 is for sure, and then above that we have this level of 42,370, and we'll also have to keep track of this particular trend line. See, today we got a good closing, right, but we have got sell off multiple times from this level, so we'll have to be careful. If we see the CPR for tomorrow is like this, so most likely I'm kind of expecting, in case we get a flat opening, probably once again we will come take support at the CPR and bounce on the upside. But the best trade would be if 41,800 breaks, probably we can see a move until 42,000, and any trade on the downside is only if this low breaks 41,400, then maybe further sell-off can begin. Or if, let me shift to a 15-minute chart, or exactly in the opening, if we reject this level, right, 41,800, a quick dip until the CPR or this S1 of 41,500 is also possible. So tomorrow, how we open, we might get a flat opening. If you look at the global markets, the US market is down, the European markets are slightly high, so that's putting us in a flat opening position. Obviously it's too early to tell whether we'll get a big gap up or a gap down. If we open here, right, somewhere in this zone, 41,700 to 41,600, the two trades that might really work out in the opening, that is, one, either come take support of the CPR and go up, or go up, reject this level of 41,800 and get a dip on the downside. Post that, we'll have to wait and see. If the market sustains above 41,800, then the next target will be 42,000. In case we break the CPR, then we might see this level of 41,400 again. Though we have some nice put writing that's come in today at 41,500, which is a pretty strong support, and on the upside we have a first level of resistance as 42,000. A touch of 42,000, if we go above 41,800 tomorrow, is a possibility, so that is what I'm counting on. So the best trade in Banknifty would be either a reversal from the CPR on the upside, or the other trade is get a short trade over here. If we get a nice rejection, maybe a short trade until 41,500 is also possible. So that is with Banknifty for tomorrow. And if we look at the Nifty daily chart, we have kind of broken this long-term trend line that we had on the daily time frame, the one that I'm going to mark now. This, we have broken out of this trend line, and it's a pretty strong closing. So obviously our next target would be this 18,188 on the daily chart. And in case we go to a lower time frame, let's see how we can refine our targets. Nifty is more aggressively bullish because of what do we say, the reliance. See, in Nifty we closed about 18,000, right, above 18,000. So in case we go higher, the first level of resistance is coming in at 18,079, and then this candle where we had this nice dip because of this Adani news, this can also act as a good resistance, that's around 18,100. So these are the levels on the upside. In case we get a flat opening, there is a possibility we can come retest this level of 17,950 and get a bounce on the upside. and any trade on the lower side is only if 17,950 breaks. We could retest this level of 17,900 and 17,850. So that's it for tomorrow. Tomorrow could be a nice trending expiry in case we break out of this range. We'll have to see. We have been in this range from February 6th. Post the budget, after this up move, we have been stuck in this range for almost, let's see exactly how many days we were stuck in this range. See, almost 9 days we were in this range, right? So a break of this, but if we check the overall open interest, there is some good resistance at 42,000. So we'll have to see how this plays out tomorrow, whether this will act as a resistance or are we going to break and go higher. It looks difficult for now, but maybe if 41,800 breaks, a touch of 42,000 is a possibility. Let's see what happens tomorrow.